looking real cute. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anya. Before we get into this video, don't check me. Don't check me, boo, because I know you see I'm wearing the same shirt, but it's okay because I'm still back with more videos. Anyways, my name is Anya. For those who don't know, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a company called Bileaf. They sent me some hair, some passion twist hair that I installed in my best friend's hair, and this is just a really quick review because I already have a video on how to do passion twist, so this is not a tutorial. So in the bag comes 6 of these. I literally, like I did in the last video, I used 5 packs of hair, and in this one they sent me 6 and I still used 4.5 packs of hair. So it's really good. It comes pre-looped. It's super soft. It's shiny, it's bouncy, really cute. It's in the color 1B30. Let's see. In the bag also comes these 2 clips that help you like section off your hair, you know. Really, everybody needs these. I needed more, so that's perfect. Also comes with these, the hair jewelry. It came with 2 gold ones, but I used them in her hair. And then it also comes with this really cute compact mirror. That's very, very cute. Like, hey, how you doing, girl? Just looking at myself in the mirror. Just a quick overview of the hair. It's really, really soft. It's really easy to install. Oh, lastly, it comes with this packet. Oh, her hair looks really cute. Shout out to you, girl. But yeah, it says, yikes. It says passion twist hair, and then it just comes with like an instructions manual and different ways that you can put the hair in your head. But like I said, the hair is really soft. It's really affordable. I think I paid like either $32 or $36. I'll leave it in the description bar so you guys can go out and check it out and purchase the hair. You can buy it on Amazon. It came in 2 days. But I just think you guys should really invest. You get 6 of these. It's already pre-looped for, well, not pre-looped, but it's like sectioned for you, so it's easier for you, easier for the people who don't know how to section out or section off the hair and do like the right measurement. Is that the term I want to use? The right separation technique things, yeah. But anyways, that's just the quick little shebang that I did. The quick little review that I did on the hair. You guys should definitely go check it out if you want to try passion twist hair or have somebody install it for you. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Not too long. I'm not trying to bore y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave my channel. Support your girl. And it's my birthday week, so you know.
This is my birthday. I'm 24 years of age, and I'm letting you know that I am better than everybody.
Look out for the festivities that's gonna be going on in my Instagram. Thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tune into my next videos and my previous. Bye.